So we can go back here and heal. Whoa, whoa, whoa. God, those things hit hard. Jeez. Where's my stick? Those things hit so hard. I have to like run back here, heal up to full, run back. I must have something I can use. Doesn't matter. It's almost dead. Oh, it is dead. Eh.
Time is the rule where time began, and as time weighs on a man, so a man may wait time. Placing his earthly goods on the half-day, he walks through every other hour.
I don't get it.
Time is the rule. Time is...
Probably shouldn't have thrown away my weapon box. That's heavy enough. Every half day. So what does that mean? No, that's not it. Half day. Is it 6 o'clock? Might be 6 o'clock. No idea. Let's save just in case. That was not right. That was right. Ouch. Yeah, that was right. I just got confused because it sent me back out here. But that was right. It's 6 o'clock. Yeah, take that worm.
Only in the purity the chalice provides may a mortal approach the heart of Tempest.
We have the cup.
Only in the purity the chalice...
Yeah, we heard that. Whew. It's the warlord!
The answer lies in your voice and in your eyes. You know who I am.
I am your father.
Fighting ancient. If I've come this far, it may be possible.
He who speaks first has already lost. Action alone wins. Join me. See that this is true. Fight at my side.
My sworn quest is to strip away your power.
Of course. And you have been heroic. Now, join me.
I am your sworn enemy.
Those are words. Your deeds show strength. Join me. Lead my armies. You are worthy.
Your trick is too simple.
My offer is honest and true. You know it.
In your heart.
I have the dark slag.
It is nothing. Its power wanes. I rule by my own right.
Then there is no way to defeat you.
None. Return that bit of darkness to me. And in good faith, I shall make of you a general.
But you said the dark slag is of no use to you.
A gesture. Show me loyalty, and I shall bestow greatness.
No.
Shall never give you the dark slag.
The others failed. I have looked into the dead eyes of each. You too shall fail.
I'll take my leave of you now, warlord. If you want to stop me, you'll have to fight me yourself.
By not joining with me, you have already failed.
Okay, before we continue, where is it? We need to wear this. And we need to use this. Now, let's go to the Anvil of Dawn. And jump right in.
Months ago, 5 brave champions moved out across a withered land. Now, the warlord's grasp has weakened. The forces of the warlord are everywhere in retreat. Never in the history of Tempest have the good people of this world owed so much to a single champion.
Nothing which we are to know in this life equals the power of your courage, the strength of will by which you outwitted so great a threat. All Tempest owes you homage, as do I. This I promise, that the memory of the warlord shall be purged from our hearts, while you, my champion, shall never be forgotten.
Hooray! And we have finished the game. This was a pretty fun game, actually. I mean, the controls were a little bit frustrating, and it was kind of easy, but I had a great time with it. So let's just sit back, watch the credits, mourn the death of New World Computing because they got bought by 3DO and then 3DO went bankrupt. Let's look at all these people that worked on the game. They did a great job. aka Studios. Yeah, all the male characters and all the female characters were apparently played by one person. Credits are going kind of fast. I can't... Stu Johnson. David Fielding played 17 of the characters in this game. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed this playthrough of Anvil of Dawn. I enjoyed playing it. And I'll see you in my next playthrough, whatever it might be.